You know, I always tell you that platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook does not only reward creating, but they reward creativity. I'm going to show you how you are going to use this AI editing software to transform your video editing skills just by single click. All their features are very, very simple to use. They have AI video generator that is transforming your ideas into a video. They have AI text to speech, AI image generator, AI background remover, everything that you need. This AI video editing app is called HitPaw Edimakor. Let us dive into this software. I'm going to show you how you are going to use it. It is very, very simple and easy to use. Simply go to the link in the description of this video. Click on that link. It's going to take you to your Chrome browser. So when you get to your Chrome browser, it's very simple. It will bring you to this interface. So when you come to this interface, you look at this download button you see here. You click on download. You know, very simple. If you download, it's going to install. Now, after the installation, you click on login. You know, because you are a new user, you click on create account. You click on create account. If you register with my link, you are going to have a free tools that you are going to use with the app. So when you click on create account, it's going to bring you to this cool interface. So this is a new project. Like if you want to import a video and edit the video with this app, it's going to bring you here. So now this place is AI avatar, this place is face swap, this place is remove background. If you want to remove background of anything, your pictures and everything, for you to edit a good clean pictures, then this second phase here is AI video generator. It means that if you click this place and give it any idea, it's going to generate a video for you according to the prompts that you give to this app. People that are into YouTube automation, folktales, you know, any niche at all, this is a good app for you, because with this app you don't even have to be doing write script to different places, generate picture different place, edit with different app. Everything, all the whole tools are here, full packaged. Look at another cool amazing feature that we have here. This is auto subtitle, automatic subtitles. Like if you want to subtitle your videos, you know, you can use this feature to subtitle your videos. Okay, now let me bring in one of my videos here. When you import the video, it's going to bring you to this editor phase. You know, so this place now looks like your every other video editing apps, but this one looks more sharper and easy to use. So it's trying to generate the subtitles of that video, and so quickly it is done generating the subtitle. Okay, so this is the subtitle. Now let me show you a very, very cool and amazing stuff that you can do here. You can equally choose the particular fonts and styles that you want to use for the subtitle, you know, so that is what you have here. So I'm going to go with this one, this particular one. And another amazing feature here is, do you know that that particular feature I showed you, that you can translate your auto caption using YouTube Studio, that particular feature is here, right here in this app. You can be saying something in English and it will be writing in French. Let me show you. Original language here is English. You know, I've already set it at English. Look at translated language. If I turn this thing off, it means that originally this is how it's going to appear on your own screen, but you have to come here and turn it on, you know, then and select French as the language you want it to translate. This is style. You can choose any font that you want. Let us do the auto subtitling. I want to show you that I will be saying something in English and this app is going to be translating it in French. So that is amazing. Let's say you choose two languages, you know, maybe English and French. If maybe people that are watching your video are French speaking countries, some of them can understand English small. While reading this caption in French, it will help them to understand everything that you are saying perfectly fine. Any niche that has to do with subtitle, you can use this particular app to do your subtitling. So now click on it. It is being translated in French. The English one is showing below, while the French translation is showing at the top, as you can see here. So this particular one is text-based editing. This particular feature is going to bring out all the whole text in that video. Everything that is a spoken word in that video is going to transcribe it and bring it out as a text for you. Okay, take a look at this place. This is everything that I said in this video, and is giving you the whole transcript of everything that you said in this particular video. So that's what this particular one does. Then this particular one is video translator. This video translator is also incorporated into the subtitle option. Now let us go to text to speech. This app has more than 200 different voices that you can use.
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
All of them are sounding like a real human being. When you use this text to speech, you will not even know that it is AI that is saying something here. So that's why I said all the whole things that you will be using other different platforms to do. All the whole thing, the whole full package is here. You can generate scripts here, you can generate voiceover here, you can edit here, you can translate, you can transcribe. Everything is inside this particular app. Okay, let me write something like welcome to Jazzy Nation TV. Welcome to Jazzy Nation TV. Let's see. Generate it for me. Successful. Okay. Play.
Welcome to Jazzanation TV. Welcome to Jazzanation TV.
This app is very, very good. Click on the link on my description and get your hands on this app. It has all the amazing features that you are looking for. People that are into YouTube automation, this is the best for you. This one is to clone voice. This one is AI copywriting. This one is AI short. This is the one that I've been looking for. AI short. It means that if you put a landscape video here, this app will automatically convert it to short without you doing anything, without you doing any editing. Let me see how they would generate this video for me. Okay, so this is the video. They asked me to select a text. Let me go with this brand. Okay, generate shorts. As you can see, this app has finished generating the video and equally gave me the options of where I can post the type of video. When I tell you that what YouTube prefers for long form videos is landscape mode, now look at their preference, TikTok and the YouTube Shorts. They even gave me some tags that I can use for this particular video. Just from hearing what I said in the video, they were able to provide some tag for me. Video production, mic setup, lighting, content creation and vlog. Then come to description here. They now said learn how to set up your video shooting with the right mic and the lighting for the best results. I can use this as a title and I can equally use it as a description. Let me play the video and see. So it's my are you seeing the shots they generated for me? This is the shot they generated for me, so I can use this and post as shorts. Whenever you are done creating your long form video and you want to create shorts out of it, this is the best app that you are going to use for it. All right, so this app has so many amazing features that maybe if I say let me go through all of them, we might end up having 2 hours videos. So this is template. These templates are for your YouTube shorts and your TikTok videos, and it updates according to trends. This is educational templates. All these things you can use it to enhance your video creation, no matter the niche that you are into. This is intro, opening text and everything, and you can equally edit and change the names. Then this is outro, this is voice change, this is noise reduction. Maybe you shoot a video in a noisy place, you can use this particular feature to reduce the noise. If you want to extract only audio, you can use this. So this is video downloader. If you want to download a video from any social media platform, I went to Toolbox. That is where you will find all the features. Then look at another amazing feature, screen record. Most of us don't actually know how to use your laptop to screen record. Now let us go to create project. If you click on create project, you click on new project, you click on import file. I still use that my same video, drag. You have to drag it to this place, just the way you edit with other editing apps. You can trim, you can split, you can click on it, you can delete. This one is to mark any place. This is like keyframing. This is to speed up, to increase or reduce speed. Then this is crop, normal. This is to pin and zoom. All right, this is horizontal flip. If you want to flip the video, then this is vertical flip. Are you seeing it? Then this one is audio recording. If you want to record a voiceover inside a particular video, this is what you are going to use and do it. So everything that you need as a video editor, even as a beginner, you can use this app and start. This place, you can use this place for animation and color grading. Any type of animation that you're looking for is here. Then this is for your color grading. If you want to add colors to your videos to enhance your video quality, this is where you can do that. Let's say that I want to export this video. you click on export, then look at the video formats that you can save with. You can save as MP4, MOV, 1080p. It equally have 4K resolution. You can save your video on 4K resolution. Now, once I click here, this video is exporting immediately. When you come down to this place, you are going to see projects. You will see that all the whole video that I created is being saved here as new project, which means I can click on any particular one and continue working on it. That's if I didn't finish with any particular project. So this app is an app that all editors or all YouTubers or all content creators should have, So now, if you want to subscribe to their pro features so that you can gain access to their pro and more advanced features, you can use the 1 month plan, which is $29, or the 1 year plan, which is the most popular plan, which is going to give you $49. So you'll be able to access all the advanced features that is going to help your video editing very simple and seamless. So with this software, you can generate full video ideas just by clicking a simple prompt and giving it an instruction. Is going to deliver it for you. So all the whole AI tools that you are looking for, all of them are in this one app. Get your hands on this software by clicking the link in my description so that you will be able to access all these whole features that I just showed you here. This app is truly amazing. Anybody that is a video editor that wants to enhance or improve his or her editing skills, this is the particular software that is going to help you to do everything that you need. So download the software and start enjoying video editing at ease. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.